taking that initiative. Previous governments could have also done it under the Foreigners Act as mentioned. But for whatever reason, it was not done that time. But now we are pursuing it. We are trying to see if we can also be declared as a restricted or, protected/restricted areas, district-wise. And hopefully we'll be able to create this mechanism which we all have been wanting for a long time. So that's really the purpose. But we are aware that this law was there before. But the new amended law and the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 was passed in September or August in the budget, in the autumn session, monsoon session of the Parliament, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Now this restricted area permit which was issued by MHA for all the foreigners traveling to Northeast. In fact, there was a time when the states from the Northeast wanted this restricted area permit, which is required to be availed by all the foreigners traveling to Northeast in order to promote high-end tourism footfall. Because when we are talking about, look at the application of this law. This application of law is designed to ensure that any foreigner coming, whether an European or Western, whoever, will require this restricted area permit. That has restricted the tendency of the travelers to look at Northeast because there's an advisory issued by the ministry, the embassies concerned. So it is just contrary to what exactly is required to be done. But having said this, I would like to get a very categorical reply from the Honorable Chief Minister. In view of this reply, whether then the government, the state government has given up its endeavor and effort to pursue with Government of India in as far as application of ILP in the state of Meghalaya is concerned.
Sir, I've already answered that question. I have been very clear that our objective is to find a mechanism.
No, my question is
Sir,
whether it has given up pursuing with the Government of India in as far as ILP.
Sir, let Honorable LO realize that I'm replying. Please ask him to let me reply. He should not interfere.
Sit down,
Please don't interfere. I did not interfere. I did not interfere. Sir, this is incorrect. When I'm replying, the LO should not interfere.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the reply should be yes or
Sir,
no.
I am replying. Please.
Please sit
If
down.
the Honorable LO wants to reply, I will reply.
Please sit down, please.
Sir, I will give the detailed reply because it's a sensitive topic. If he does not, you have the passion. I keep repeating, sir, they have passion to bring out the subjects, but they don't have the patience to listen to the reply. What kind of a attitude is that, sir? I respect the passion you have, but have the patience to listen.
I'm done. Okay.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the question is very clear. Whether, in view of this reply, whether the state government has given up pursuing with Government of India in as far as demand for application of ILP in the state of Meghalaya is concerned, yes or no?
Sir, I will give the reply as per what I think is correct. Just because he says that it should be yes or no, it doesn't work like that. I will reply so that the House is satisfied. Sir, I have replied earlier also, and I'm repeating again, sir, that we are looking at a mechanism. We need to understand it is not about ILP, it is not about MRSSA, it is not about the Foreigners Act. It is about creating a mechanism to be able to restrict the entry of foreigners and to be able to find a way where illegal immigration is curbed. That is the purpose. We have to realize that. Now, government has pursued the ILP. We have met Home Minister multiple times. The government continues to pursue it. And we are seeing the aspect, every time we go, we get reply that examination is going on, it's being examined. So when we'll get this reply, we say, well, is there another way to do it? Because objective is, as I said, is to create a mechanism. So if the Foreigners Act can give us this mechanism, then we will pursue this also. So yes, let me reply to the Honorable LO that we are pursuing all possible ways. We are committed to ensure that illegal immigration is curbed. Whether it's ILP, whether it's the Foreigners Act, we will pursue. The earlier governments could have done it, but they did not. Why? Why did they not look at this aspect?
Okay, that's enough.
It is our government that has done it.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think the reply to my question is actually yes, indirectly. Though the question, he has dribbled it very well, but the understanding is that yes, So, in view of the seriousness of this issue, I would like to remind the House and seek a clarification on this, whether all other laws which has been enacted by this House, including MRSSA 2016, have we not done the job to an extent possible?